All right, let me take you through news on the Parliament Samvidhan debate with Prime Minister Modi. We hear who's just reached the Parliament. All eyes on Prime Minister's big response. He will be concluding the Constitution debate on day 2 of Samvidhan Sangram. Parliament braces for Modi's reply. Prime Minister Modi's big Constitution counter. This comes, of course, right after Rahul Gandhi's high-pitched speech that he gave in the Parliament. In fact, Rahul Gandhi's Samvidhan debate, where he spoke on multiple issues. At this point, the Samvidhan debate itself that has been held to commemorate 75 years of the Constitution. You had Rahul Gandhi, who spoke a little earlier, with Prime Minister Modi to be countering it in a little while from now. We have Maushmi joining us from the Parliament premises itself for a little more. Maushmi, Prime Minister Modi, we hear, has arrived in the Parliament. He's going to be speaking in just about 57 minutes precisely from now. Do we know what exactly is going to be his plan of action, his counter to all that was spoken against the government?
Nabila, his reply assumes paramount importance for the NDA government because, time and again, the opposition has accused the Modi government of compromising on the Constitution and wanting to do away with it when it gave the 400 Par slogan in 2024 Lok Sabha polls. And that's why, the Prime Minister's speech is expected to not only reply to the retorts that the opposition leaders, including Akhilesh Yadav, Rahul Gandhi, A. Raja, TMC leaders like Mahua Moitra and Kalyan Banerjee, DMK leaders and the plethora of leaders have made, but he will also, try to bring in how the Congress party and the previous ruling governments, in fact, undermine the Constitution. This will be the first time round when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be making a speech when, both the Gandhi siblings are in the lower house. Priyanka Gandhi has made a debut speech, and we could expect that Prime Minister would retort to the attack that Priyanka Gandhi has made on him, talking about how he is one of the Prime Minister. He's a Prime Minister who likes to change his guise every now and then, but wouldn't like to listen to criticism. And Priyanka also went on to add that the Prime Minister has only been in the house for 10 minutes. So we would expect that there could be a tit for tat by the Prime Minister on that one, a counter on that one. Of course, Rahul Gandhi's Abhay Mudra, Eklavya Jaib, and also about Hathras and Sambal could be countered by the Prime Minister, though we've seen the BJP MPs counter it. So it's going to be a lot of fireworks in the House as the Prime Minister is all set to reply to the opposition.
All right. Well, this will be right after Rahul Gandhi gave his speech a little while ago. Of course, he's accused the government of attacking the Constitution 24/7. Prime Minister Modi's reply to this will be paramount.